Welcome to PA Timber Gifts. Today is May 31st. Happy Memorial Day. My project today is to assemble a new charcoal grill. Okay, my project today is to assemble the new grill. We're going to have a cookout later this afternoon. We're going to cook some chicken on the grill and some corn. And we have a nice 70-pound box there, giant grill in a little box, and we have 2 bags of charcoal. I have a wood chip smoker box I'm going to try, and I'm going to try the apple flavored chips and see how that tastes on chicken. You always know how fun it is when you get something in a big box and how many pieces everything is in and how long it takes to put together. So today we'll see how long it takes me to put the grill together, and we're going to have a cookout this afternoon. Okay, let's get started on our grill and see how long it takes me to put this together. Okay, now we're starting to install the racks inside the grill. We have the warming rack on here. It's definitely been a very interesting build with this grill. Directions are very vague onto where everything exactly is supposed to go. So I'm just guessing which parts go, which nuts and bolts go to which parts. Hopefully we won't run out of fasteners. You can see inside of there. I was begging to cook some chicken in there today. I have to burn all the oil off of it. Actually, be pretty interesting to see how much smoke that makes. How smooth that is. So far so good. Let's see what's going to go in there next. Okay, coming down to the wire here. And we just have to figure out how this sits in here. Here's our grill fully assembled. I have a wrought iron tool to pick my rack out of the grill so I can move that around. I have a wire ring for the back. A grease cup goes on there. Basically, I assembled the entire grill with a box end wrench, a flat tip screwdriver, and a razor knife. Total assembly time was about 2.5 hours. Now we're going to go out and start a fire in here, and we will cook the oil and the grease off the grill. We'll let that burn off, and we'll see how much this grill smokes. And then it'll be time for some chicken and corn on the cob later. So stay tuned. This video will continue. Thanks for watching PA Timber Goose. As always, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. It really helps the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.